How to move new replies to the bottom of the chat on the mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to move new replies to the bottom of the chat on the mobile. First go to Zoom and then click this 3 points here and then click chat, click on it and then just go down and you will find this one, move messages, message with new replies to the bottom of the chat. Just if you want to turn it off, just click here and then you will need to restart Zoom. Click restart Zoom and everything will be done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.